Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back in our ENV class. I hope you all are healthy and happy. And you all completed your GK book very nicely. So, kids, today we are going to start our chapter 28, chapter 29, and chapter 30. So, kids, first we will start our chapter 28. So many languages. So fill in the blanks using the correct option from the help box. Here is given description. We have to write the right language in the blank with the help of this help box. Now number 1, people from Tamil Nadu speak. People from Tamil Nadu speak Tamil. Tamil, Tamil. Number 2, people from Maharashtra speak. Maharashtra people speak Marathi. Marathi, Marathi. Number 3, people from Punjab speak Punjabi. People from Meghalaya speak Garo and Khasi. People from Karnataka speak Kannada, Kannad, Kannad. People from Kerala speak Malayalam. Malayalam, Malayalam. People from Odisha speak Odia, Odia, Odia. 8, people from Kashmir speak Koshur and Urdu. People from West Bengal speak Bengali, Bangla. People from Madhya Pradesh speak Hindi. Now chapter 29, palindromes and anagrams. A palindrome is a word or sentence that reads the same forward as it does backward. For example, here is given some example. First is SIVIC, civic. So kids, you have to read that civic word from the forward. Civic. Now you read from the backward. Civic. So the spelling is same if you read from forward and if you read from backward, the spelling is same. So in this 8 blanks we have to write that type of palindromes. Okay, so I have written first is NOO and noon. So kids, that spelling you read from the forward, NOO and noon. Now backward, NOO and noon. So spelling is same. Second is RADAR, radar. Third one is MOM, mom. TENET, tenet. WOW, wow. If you read wow from forward, it is wow, and backward also we read it wow. Race car. Stats and roder. So kids, that all spelling if you write from the forward and if you read from the backward, the spelling is same and that pronunciation also same. In our chapter 29, the second question is B. Now make a word from the letters used in each given words. It means here is given example. First is MARCH, march. From this march spelling, they make charm, CHARM, charm. Second is melon. From this melon spelling, they made lemon. With that way, our first spelling is cafe, C-A-F-E, cafe. From this cafe, I will make F-S-C-E, face. Now second is needs. From this needs, I have made dance. In the third, tough. Fourth is quiet. So we will make quiet. Fifth is post. From this post, I have made sports. In 6 number, spool. 7 number, speak. In 8 number, filler. In 9 number, antler. In the last, sister. So kids, I have made spelling from the question. Okay kids? Okay, now chapter 30, most popular scientist. The investigations and discoveries of this scientist have contributed to the progress of the world. Identify this scientist from their picture. Take help from the help box. We have to identify the scientist picture, and here is given description also. Okay, now first is he was known as the Missile Man of India. Which scientist is this? This is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 2, he said that Earth is round and revolves around the sun. Which scientist is this? Aryabhat. Third is, he explained the law of gravity. So, Sir Isaac Newton. Number 4, he was an ancient surgeon and is called the founding father of surgery. Which scientist is this? This is Sushruta. Fifth is, she discovered radiation and helped to apply it in the field of X-ray. This scientist is Marie Curie. He developed the theory of evolution. This scientist is Charles Darwin. So kids, I will send you PDF of chapter 28, 29 and 30. You have to write from the PDF. Okay kids, bye bye, take care, stay safe.